In this lesson, we're looking at calculating side lengths using trigonometry. So here are our three trigonometric rules. We've got sine of theta equals O on H, cos of theta equals A on H, and tan of theta equals O on A. So every time we do one of these problems, I'm going to ask that you do these 5 steps every single time. Okay, so the first step is to draw the triangle. I've got the triangle drawn here, it's got the information on it, and we can definitely see that it is indeed a right angled triangle. What we are trying to do is calculate this side length here. This is the unknown one. So what we want to do is label our sides, and we have to label them as O, A, or H. To start with, let's put the hypotenuse in. It's across from the right angle. Let's put this one, this one is across from our reference angle, so it makes it the opposite, and here is our adjacent side. Now if we look very carefully, we don't actually have any information about this hypotenuse. We're not trying to find it, it's not the unknown, and we don't have any actual information about it either. So we're going to cross it out and say, okay, we don't need that, to worry about that one today. What we do need to worry about is our A, or our adjacent side, and our O, and our reference angle here is theta. So we're going to now write down our information and pick the rule that we are going to use. So the information that I have, the opposite side is our unknown x. Our adjacent side is 4 meters. And our theta, or our angle value, is 43 degrees. So there's the information that we have. Let's have a look. We've got an O and an A, so we need to choose the rule that will fit for that. So the rule that will fit here is tan. So we are going to simply, straight away, write the rule down. The tan of theta equals O on A. Our next step says substitute. We are going to substitute in the values that we know. So we know that the value for theta is 43. So we're going to replace theta with 43. We are going to replace O with an X, and we are going to replace the A with a 4. Now we need to rearrange and solve it, right, to get to the end of it. We now need to say, right, X needs to be on its own because that's the unknown we are trying to find. So we need to rearrange and get this 4 to the other side. If on this side it is divide 4, then algebraically to cancel it out, on the other side we need to times 4. So it will be 4 times tan of 43 equals X. Now we're at the point where we can actually push that into our calculator. So 4 times, we're going to hit our tan button. We can see that it's going to open brackets for us, and we can put 43 in and shut the brackets and press equals. So our X value equals 3.73. We're finding a side length, so it's very important we put our units, and in this case it's meters. So when our X, or our unknown, is on the top of the fraction, it's the numerator. The unknown part is the numerator. Then we take the denominator and multiply it by the other side of the equation, or the tan of 43, and we are finding our missing side length. So our O value equals 3.73 meters at the top there.